Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light on your X21. First thing you're going to need is a 10mm socket and ratchet or wrench, it doesn't matter. You'll come in here and you'll take both of these 10mm nuts off. Next you're going to want to take and follow this wire that comes out the middle. Follow it all the way to here. It's this yellow and green, brown and green wire. You're going to just pull these apart like so, and then when you're ready to put your new one back in, I would take a picture of this so you don't forget, and then you'll just put them back in the correct order. Now that you have your screws off, I would take like a Phillips head or a flathead screwdriver, it doesn't really matter, and I would put it on the back side of this stud and take a hammer and gently tap it out because it is a little bit tight. And then you just gently wiggle back and forth, and that's your tail light. And then when it's time to put it back in, you'll just lift up gently on the back of this. And then from there, you'll take your two 10mm nuts. Now that you've tightened both these down, all you need to do is turn your bike on and apply the brake, make sure your light works, and you're good to go. Then you just put your rear seat back on. Your seat back on, sorry. You're good to go.